Good day, everyone. Today, our group will present how we applied relations diagram with the concept of systems, thinking to analyze Big Brew, a popular milk tea and coffee brand. Systems thinking help us see the bigger picture of how different parts of the business are interconnected and how one problem can lead to another if not addressed properly.
Explaining the problem context. Based on our study, Wig Group faces several challenges such as limited sitting space, drinks becoming watery when ice melts too quickly, inconsistent sweetness across branches, long wait times during peak hours, and inconsistent service quality due to staff rotation. On the other hand, it also has strengths like affordable pricing, wide drink variety, and buy 5 get 1 free promos.
To make sense of these issues, we use a relation diagram. This tool helps us identify cause and effect relationship between problem and solution. Instead of looking at each issue separately, we can see how one factor influences another. For example, long wait times are linked to staff rotation, which affects service consistency. At the same time, inconsistent service can affect customer satisfaction and loyalty.
Through systems thinking, we discovered that improving staff training and retention reduces long wait times and ensures service consistency. Better drink preparation standard address the issue of watery drinks and inconsistent sweetness. Providing light snacks like bread and pastries not only enhances customer experience but also attracts students who want a complete merienda package. By looking at the system as a whole, we see that solving root causes creates a chain reaction of improvement.
Insights and solution. Our relations diagram showed that the key driver of improvement is staff management and quality control. By focusing here, Big Brew can solve multiple issues at once. Additionally, strategies like upgrading menus with snack pairings, maintaining affordability, and enhancing customer loyalty rewards all contribute to stronger customer satisfaction and brand image.
In conclusion, using a relations diagram with systems thinking allowed us to clearly see how different problems and solutions are interrelated. For Big Brew, improving consistency, staff performance, and customer experience will not only solve current issues but also create long-term value. Thank you for listening, and we hope this presentation showed the power of applying systems thinking in business problem solving.